Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: Querying SQL Server Database with Python, Pandas, a step-by-step tutorial. Introduction. Python, with the help of the Pandas library, is a powerful tool for querying and analyzing data stored in SQL Server databases. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to connect to a SQL Server database, retrieve data from it using SQL queries, and manipulate that data using Pandas. We'll also cover common errors and how to handle them. Prerequisites. Step 1. Import necessary libraries. Step 2. Establish a connection to the SQL Server database. To connect to your SQL Server database, you'll need to specify the server details and authentication. Replace the placeholders with your database information. Step 3. Query data from SQL Server. Now, you can use SQL queries to fetch data from your database. Here's an example of how to retrieve data from a table called your_table_name. Step 4. Explore and manipulate data with Pandas. Once you have the data in a Pandas data frame, you can perform various operations, such as filtering, sorting, and aggregating data. For instance, you can display the first 5 rows of the data frame using common error handling. It's crucial to handle errors gracefully when working with databases. Here are a few common errors and how to handle them. Closing the connection. Don't forget to close the database connection when you're done. Conclusion. In this tutorial, you learned how to connect to a SQL Server database, query data from it using SQL queries, and manipulate the data using Pandas. You also learned about handling common errors when working with databases. This knowledge will empower you to efficiently work with SQL Server data in your Python projects. Remember to replace the placeholders with your specific database information, and ensure that you have the necessary libraries installed before running the code. Happy querying! ChatGPT.